So, Meta just dropped a new AI, Muse Spark 1.1. It's their most powerful model until now. And for me, Meta AI is mostly an image generation AI. I know it can do more, but for the premise of this, I'm gonna make it image generation AI, quote unquote. And I'm gonna put it against Google Gemini and ChatGPT's DALL-E, I think, and Gemini's own image generation. I don't know what the name of it, and 3.5 Flash extended thinking. And the premise is I wanted to create a thumbnail for my video that is coming out after 9 days. I don't usually do this. I usually take like ideas or examples from AIs and try to set them up on my own. But since Meta just dropped their new AI and ChatGPT dropped also their new AI 5.6 Soul, I wanted to see if any of them can make any good thumbnail contenders for the video. Maybe I can use them. So I'm gonna start with Meta AI. Basically, in this video, you're gonna basically know what the future video is. I don't care. So I will try to use the same prompt for all, but I'm pretty sure there will be back and forth. But I'll try to do the prompt as detailed as possible so I can get results in like 2 prompts max. And this is the prompt. I have a YouTube video planned for the World Cup winner. The video idea is I ask the top AIs, Gemini, Claude, ChatGPT, and Meta AI on their thoughts and predictions for the winner of the World Cup. I'm going to use this same prompt, like I said, for Gemini, ChatGPT. I'm going to start with Meta AI. This is the first time I use it. Second time, actually, I use it. But first time I use it extensively. Because the first time I used it was just trying to see what it is, basically. And let's go. So this is the first iteration that Meta AI gave me. It's a solid attempt. Honestly, I don't like a techie fucking background thing, these dots and things, and the text and the color in general. So I'm gonna upload the 4 logos of each one so I can get a better one. I'm gonna tell it to dial it down on the AI meta bullshit and see the results again. A slightly better attempt. Gemini logo is shit. I don't like. I told it to add flags if it wants to, and it did this, which Brazil is already out of the tournament. I told it to make it more intriguing for someone to press on it, which I told it to make the person question if he like question and then has to press on it, and it just did a question mark on the background. It's barely readable on a mobile device. So I'm gonna give it a third prompt. It'll be the final prompt. I'm gonna make it. The prompt will be a better explanation of what I'm thinking about, and we'll see the results. I always found it funny when AI just mess up copying logos of other companies and even their own. Like for example, so the Meta AI logo is out of this world, and the Gemini, it just wants a Gemini sign. I'm not asking for a Gemini logo. I even fed it the Gemini logo. It's not working. But this is the final, what is it called? Final result. Oh my God, I'm so stupid. And we'll see it. It's not bad. I would rate it, I don't know. Other than the 2 wrong logos, I'm just gonna deny that. I think I could rate it 6, 7. Fuck, kill me. Yeah, I think it's a solid 6 for Meta's AI. Let's see if it can fix itself, actually. Okay, it fixed it. Nice. Let's see if it's readable on a mobile phone. So we're just gonna open it and zoom out. Ooh, shit. Which AI was right? Let's put it as... No, 10%. Yeah, it's readable. You can see the World Cup. If you don't read this World Cup winner prediction, you could at least see the trophy and the 4 AIs. So I think it's not bad. Maybe it can color AI with some bullshit color or write or maybe change something. But I would say a solid attempt, up to a 7. Now let's take the same prompt and feed it to Gemini and see what Gemini gives us. And this is Gemini's first attempt. I didn't tell it anything yet. It's a very good attempt. The text is who won AI predictions, World Cup winner revealed, 4 top AI's final prediction. I don't think the text is good, and the logos, of course. So I'm gonna do the same thing that I did with Meta AI. I'm gonna feed it the logos, the correct logos of each company. I'm gonna tell it to keep the background, keep the trophy and the hands to the trophy. But we will change the text to a different thing. We'll see. Again, with the wrong logos that I can't take from AI. I'm just asking them not to change anything. Just put the logos. ChatGPT logo is easy. Gemini logo is good. Meta AI and Claude. And I noticed something. Claude AI's logo is always done wrong by other AIs, and I think it's because the tips of the logo just makes it confused with a actual asterisk or as a star. And the funny story is, I faced the same thing with Claude itself. I uploaded its own logo to it, and it told me, "What's this? Like remove it from the picture. It doesn't look like Claude AI's logo. Make sure to upload the correct Claude AI logo." So it confused its own logo. World Cup winner revealed. Top AIs give their final verdict. It's not a verdict though. It's a prediction. I asked AI for prediction. Gemini is trolling. So it gave me this weird ass picture. I don't know why I think it's 500 by 500 or by 1000. It doesn't matter. I gave it a very simple request. Make it YouTube thumbnail size. And it fucking gave me this. I am in Tokyo day one. I lost hope. I'll take its last one here as Gemini's attempt, because I don't know what the fuck happened after this point. Gemini, get a grip, get a grip. My first video I've uploaded on YouTube, I was like, Gemini is the best. I use it every day for work, etc. And day by day, I'm losing hope. I don't want to use Gemini anymore. Anyway, let's see it zoomed out. 7.8 megabytes. Holy fuck. 10%. Not just 10%. Okay. Who won? AI prediction. World Cup winner revealed. Top AIs give their final verdict. Gemini, Meta, Claude, ChatGPT. I think Meta's AI is... They're both nice. This background, I think it's better since it shines on the... Like, fucking... The thing they win. I'm so retarded. The trophy. The text is more clear, but the logos are not. At least the first text. And this text is useless. I'm gonna have to tell it that. It's all useless. Fuck Gemini. Anyway, let's check ChatGPT 5.6 Soul. Give it the same prompt. And let's go. Okay. Not a bad first attempt at all from ChatGPT. And honestly, I don't think I'm even gonna have to give it another prompt. Maybe the logos I can change. Top AIs predict the World Cup winner. Wow. From one prompt. ChatGPT on its feet again. I'm really enjoying this. I really like it. Let's see the mobile test. It's clear even on the mobile test. Top AIs predict the World Cup winner. Claude, Meta, ChatGPT, Gemini. And the trophy is fully visible. In my point of view, Gemini won just for the sheer fact that it got it on the first try. I didn't have to send it anything back like, oh, use the correct logos, blah. It used them correctly. Meta AI is wrong, but at least it used the Meta old logo. I think this one is the old logo. Gemini just used the text Gemini logo, not only the star one. It's very nice. I'm gonna put all the three logos at the end of the video. I'm going to put all the three logos at the end of the video, and I would appreciate a vote from your side to whoever watches till the end of the video. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.